Technological advancements are rapidly changing lending businesses, thereby causing new challenges such as multiple business channels, lack of tools to analyze business data, limited time to make decisions, poor operational efficiency, constantly changing regulations. With these challenges, lending institutions are trying to reach new customers and geographies along with serving more to existing customers. To stay ahead in the competition, it becomes extremely important and critical for lending houses to have modern business intelligence system in place. Intellify has business intelligence and analytics solution that drives your decisions based on data. Our solution tracks 3 core business processes, have 18+ cross-functional dashboards, insights available at point of use. Solution creates single source of truth by tracking 1,000+ data points, and 100+ KPIs. Our solution helps lending institutions to take informed business decisions based on the data. Our lending analytics suite covers KPIs for 3 major processes: loan origination, loan management, and loan collections. Let's understand how the solution works. Institutions needs to get data points in place. Our predefined data model does the analysis. Data gets transformed into interactive dashboards which shows 100+ KPIs. At the end, it helps you take strategic decisions faster.